How to choose accommodation in Japan. When visiting Japan for the first time, many travelers face the same question. Where should you stay? If you value convenience and privacy, hotels near train stations are usually the safest choice. Hotel rooms in Japan are usually compact but clean, quiet, and well-equipped. For families or group travelers, guest houses often offer more space and are better for longer stays. Capsule hotels are better for short stays or when you just need a place to sleep. No matter where you stay, it's important to check the bathing facilities and house rules in advance. Knowing these details in advance can make your trip in Japan much smoother and more comfortable. In the following videos, we'll introduce how to use different types of accommodation in Japan.